Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start right now, unlock your Android and confirm battery is at least 20%. Open Settings, then go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. This route is faster on many phones. Once there, tap the three-dot menu or Advance to reveal additional controls. This is where manufacturers hide the reset option. You do this because resetting layout affects launcher data stored in app settings. Make sure to pause if you need to back up custom widgets or layouts before continuing. Now locate the Home app, also called your launcher. Sometimes it's listed under Show System Apps. Tap the launcher entry to open App Info. This is how you tell Android to rebuild the home screen. Once in storage, choose Clear Data or Clear Storage. This resets icons, widget placements, and any custom folders. You do this because the launcher stores layout in app data. Clearing it forces a fresh layout. If you want, take a quick screenshot of a page for reference before clearing. Finish by pressing Home. The launcher rebuilds a default layout and places app icons for you. Once done, restore widgets and folders as needed. Drag apps into folders and resize widgets. If the layout doesn't appear correctly, make sure to reboot the phone. A restart often resolves lingering cache problems. If that fails, return to App Info and also clear cache, or switch to a different launcher temporarily to verify the issue is launcher-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.